Hello, today I am comparing the Ninja air fryer with the Big Boss oilless fryer. Now, I thought when I got the Big Boss it was the same thing as an air fryer. It's not. Actually, they're two totally different things. So I'm going to review the pros and cons of each of them so you can decide for yourself which one you like the best. By the way, guys, if you want to see more videos like this, please comment and let me know in the comments below and give me a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Alright, the Ninja air fryer. The pros. It cooks twice as fast as the Big Boss. It took my chicken about 10 minutes versus 20 to 30 minutes for the chicken in the Big Boss. The Big Boss is more of a bake type machine and the air fryer is more of a frying type machine. Now, the air fryer also makes your items a lot crispier and you have to watch it more carefully because it gets crispier quicker. So, if you like your stuff really crispy and you like it done really quick, it's basically, I would say it's pretty much almost the same time as a microwave, just about, for reheating foods and that kind of thing. The Big Boss, it does take longer, but I did notice that the things are a little bit juicier because they're baked instead of fried. And the big pot holds double the amount of the air fryer. So if you have a big family, this would hold twice as much chicken and french fries as the air fryer does. Now, this can only do things like chicken and fish and french fries, egg rolls, pizza rolls, that kind of thing. The Big Boss, you could do a whole rotisserie chicken in this. It has an extender right here that you just pull and set on top. Like that, and then you can put a whole turkey. I mean, you could put a small 15-pound easy turkey in this. You could put a really large chicken in this. So this would work for roasting chickens where the air fryer wouldn't. Now, they both put out heat. So just like a crock pot does not keep your kitchen cool in the summer, neither do the air fryer or the Big Boss. But compared to the oven, you're not running it as long as you would an oven, especially the air fryer. So if you want something that's not going to heat up your kitchen at all, sorry, you need to make a salad or sandwiches or something for dinner, because these two, including the crock pot, all heat up your kitchen in the summer. And right now it's June, so that's why that's kind of a concern. Cleaning, it's kind of a toss-up. This has the bottom shelf that gets pretty dirty. The Big Boss has the wire mesh basket that gets pretty dirty. They're about the same. Now, the air fryer does shoot oil out of the top and the back on your wall. And it could be a fire hazard if this is sitting too close to your wall. It gets pretty hot, so you need to be careful how close this is to your wall. The Big Boss, on the other hand, though, it gets really hot, but I don't think that this would be a fire hazard at all. I mean, I would still keep it away from your wall. Now, you guys can see here the chicken. Once again, it was crispier with the air fryer than it was the Big Boss. The Big Boss was a little bit juicier. The french fries got a lot crispier. That was partly my fault because I forgot to check them because we were shooting videos, but it does take a lot longer with the Big Boss. So, if you guys are wondering if you should get a Big Boss halogen cooker or something like a Ninja air fryer, those are the differences. Please check out my kitchen gadgets, my favorite kitchen gadgets video up here and in the description below. Check out our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We will see you next time. Visit us at livingonadime.com.